What if eating nothing but meat for 30 days completely changed your body? The real carnivore diet results may surprise you. But what really happens during those 30 days? Is it mostly fat loss, temporary water weight, or something far more surprising? Let's break it down week by week. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what many people report during each week of the carnivore diet and whether those 30-day before and after results match the hype. Welcome to Carnivore Diet Results After 30 Days. Join me as we explore the transformative effects of this regimen. So let's begin with day one and discover what your body may experience during the very first week of the carnivore diet and why those first 7 days are often the most challenging.
During the first week, your body begins its biggest metabolic shift. Instead of relying mainly on carbohydrates, it gradually The camera follows the bloodstream as glucose stores decrease. The liver begins producing ketones, shown in blue. The initial adaptation phase, spanning days 3 through 7, shows a significant increase in fat utilization, leading to enhanced alertness. As the body efficiently breaks down and absorbs the nutrients, the system adapts, leading to a significant reduction in cravings and a profound sense of calm. Some people temporarily experience fatigue, headaches, or by the end of the first week, some people notice the number on the scale beginning to drop. Keep in mind that part of this early change is often water weight, not just body fat. Journeys. Beyond the scale, some people notice changes in how their body feels. Less bloating, better fitting clothes, maintenance. By the second week, many people report that the carnivore diet starts feeling easier. Cravings may decrease. During week 2, some people notice more consistent energy and fewer cravings. This is often the stage where many begin. The carnivore diet journey leads to remarkable results, including stable blood sugar patterns and a noticeable boost in daily energy. After several weeks, the body may become more adapted to using fat and ketones as an energy source, instead of relying mainly on carbohydrates. High-quality animal protein provides essential amino acids that help support muscle maintenance and recovery after dietary changes. Many people report better appetite control because protein-rich meals may increase fullness and help reduce frequent cravings. Weight changes after 30 days can vary from person to person and depend on calories, activity level, metabolism, and individual health factors.
Because carnivore diets are high in animal foods, it is important to monitor cholesterol markers and discuss individual heart health risks with a healthcare professional.
Maintaining electrolyte balance is key. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are crucial for hydration, nerve signals, and muscle function. One common mistake is focusing only on removing foods while ignoring nutrition balance, hydration, and personal health needs.
The best diet is one that supports your health goals and can be maintained safely over time with the right approach.
After 30 days, the biggest result is understanding your body better and building habits that support your personal health journey. After the first 30 days, the real challenge begins, creating healthy habits that can continue for months and years. A healthy routine ensures stable energy and efficient metabolism over time. This is the path to sustainable progress.
Whether the carnivore diet is right for you depends on your health goals, your medical history, and whether the approach is sustainable for your lifestyle.
As the sun rises, so does your potential. Step into the light and discover the healthiest version of yourself.
Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you better understand what may happen after 30 days on the carnivore diet.